Hey guys, I am just here to give you guys a quick announcement and welcome to second semester. And as you guys know, we are moving over to the Schoology platform exclusively this semester, so you will not have to go to Peak or log into that or switch back and forth or any of that kind of stuff. So every day you want to check Schoology, you're going to come here for announcements, assignments, everything will be turned in here, all the materials will be here. So, welcome back for break. And right now you are on Schoology. So, the first thing I want you guys to do is just go into the course, English Language Arts 2. And you guys are going to, from there, see that the new unit has been added. And that's going to be Unit 6, which is called Hamlet, because you guys are going to read along with myself and Miss Olvera in her class. Shakespeare's play, Hamlet, and do lots of different activities. Some of it's going to just be notes over each of those acts. We'll have some projects, some quizzes, a test, some summative short types of assessment there at the end. So lots of different things. We're going to learn a lot about this particular play, the language used in it, some of the different characteristics of his poetry and the play itself. So when you get to the class, you're going to open up Unit 6 Drama, Shakespeare's the Hamlet. You'll see the very top thing has this PDF of the play and some resources. You're going to actually use these first couple resources today. So you'll want to make sure you get into that file. Then you can see the rest of the stuff that's listed on here is this notes page. That's what one of the other things you'll be doing today. And then you can see as you continue on, there's this grid, a character sketch assignment, which will come later on in the semester, and then a place for you to submit each of the notes and some quizzes and stuff that'll come up later. Right now, they're probably grayed out on your screen because I have them unpublished, but those will be published soon for you to be able to look at them. So for just today, what I want you to worry about is this assignment right here, this Hamlet character intro notes. Essentially, you're going to download this little grid to take some notes over the characters. You're going to go back into the notes that, or the resources, which is in this file here. And you're going to use that to take some notes over the characters. Maybe what are their titles? Who are they related to? What are some attributes about them? What are some of the main plot points that come from that play? And then you're going to put together that quick note, and then you're also going to put together um, the kind of map of who's related to who and that kind of thing. So you're going to see there's actually a character map example here. Um, your map can look similar to this, but obviously you're going to be adding your own touches to it. So however it makes sense for you to learn and to keep the characters straight, you're going to add in those people and some of the notes that you take about them. So today is really just about getting the book from the library at Park Hill South, reading some of the resources to learn a bit about the play and the characters, and getting yourself a little acclimated to Shakespeare's The Hamlet. We'll get into the specific acts next time, and there will be some notes that you'll take and some preparation for that, and we'll continue reading through the entire 5 acts. So enjoy it, watch some videos, go out and learn about Hamlet, and check back for more information from me. Have a great first day back, and I will see you guys soon.